Hello friends, welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friend, today I will talk about foldable 15.6-inch mobile dual LCD display for enhanced portability and productivity. And friend, the Hanx has introduced Hanx-Tech Mobile Dual Monitor 15.6-inch, a new dual LCD display features two 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel that offer 178-degree wide viewing angle both horizontally and vertically, ensuring clear visibility from almost any position with a folded thickness of 15.7 mm and weight only 1.6 kg. The display combines portability and functionality, easier fittings alongside a laptop in a bag, and its connectivity features include two USB Type-C ports, one mini HDMI port allowing for easy connection to PC via single USB Type-C cable, and the feature simplifies the setup process, eliminating the need for multiple cables and adapter, and the inclusion of 360-degree rotating hinge enhance its versatility, enabling user to adjust the display orientation to fit various viewing preference and user scenarios. And the technical specification of Hanx-Tech Mobile Dual Monitor includes 60 Hz refresh rate, 6 ms response time, 300 cadmium per meter square brightness, 1000 gem 1 quantity ratio. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.